this is bigger than I thought. This is 16 inches tall. Oh no, about 18 inches tall, and it's a 4 foot wide. Okay, pretty easy to put together. You basically just have these screws that it comes with, and you run them in these holes right here. And the nice thing is that it's all these types of screws, so you don't need any tools to put this together. You can put this together with basically your hands. You see the way it comes. You can use this as a fire pit. That is my plan. But you can also use this as a raised flower bed, which I also thought was an interesting use for it. So I might be using it as a fire pit. Most likely I will. But if I decide to kind of switch, I could always just use this as a fire pit. It does come, as a raised flower bed. It does come with like this plastic on it to protect it, you know? And this is what the inside looks like. So it's pretty lightweight, but it'd be fine for a fire. But yeah, that is the product. Pretty easy to put together. A little tedious, takes a little bit of time, but once it's together, it's together. And like I said, the one thing I liked about it is there's no tools. Cool.